New data released by city health officials unveil a growing problem in the borough of Staten Island. Rising COVID-19 positivity rates in a 7-day average are alarming and forcing increased efforts to educate and distribute masks in the area.
I live in Staten Island. It's imperative that the numbers are going up, and we're doing diligent work to make sure we bring the numbers down.
The city's contact tracing corps were out in several locations, and they're expected to remain through the entire week. According to the city's new zip code by zip code tracking system, the Tottenville neighborhood appears to have the highest numbers, with a positivity rate of 5.74%. Great Kills close behind with a little more than 5%. Every corner of Staten Island exceeding that 2% threshold, health officials have warned about.
If we act quickly and if people go out and get tested, we are convinced we can still turn things around in these neighborhoods.
Across New York City, Mayor Bill de Blasio saying nearly 80,000 COVID-19 tests are being taken a day. Overall, the city's 7-day rolling average for positivity at 2.31%, a growing number that is not headed in the right direction.
This is a warning sign, if ever I've seen one, that we have some work to do quickly to make sure the city stays safe and we do not have that second wave.
If we do not get a massive handle on social distancing, masking, and say no to the things that we are so comfortable doing, we are going to pay an enormous price.
Where the virus is transmitting is another area of concern. According to the head of the city's contract tracing corps, Dr. Ted Long, about 10% of transmission is linked to out-of-state travel, another 5 to 10% to indoor gatherings where masks are not typically worn. Accounting for the remaining 80% is challenging and difficult to track.
One thing it definitely tells us is that we have significant community spread. And once you have significant community spread, the efficacy of contact tracing is greatly diminished because you can't keep up with all the contacts and people themselves can't even name all the contacts.